So, in front of me I've got 70mai DashCam A800S. In this video I'll show you the camera overview. Firstly, let's take a look at the front of the camera. As you can see right here, we've got the main camera that can be tilted. Next we've got the holder, and we use it to attach the camera to front windshield. Next, on the right side of the camera, because the camera is going to be faced like this, we've got the ports, micro SD, AV and DC. On the other side of the camera we've got the power button, and on the front of the camera we've got the button 1, 2, 3 and 4 to navigate through camera menu. And basically that's it about the camera. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.